Dear Diary, today is a special day and it's a big day for me because it's my mom's birthday. We celebrate her birthday in Blue Planet here in Denmark. I'm very happy because my two cousins comes and my tito and tita. Me and my two cousins are very exciting to see the different kind of fishes. We have been here before in Blue Planet when we are babies. I cannot remember that time. It's a new thing for me to see the different kind of fish. Blue Planet, this is an ocean park. Inside here, there is a rainforest also. You can see a different kind of plants, singing bird, butterfly, and there's a lot of more. It's so nice here when it's summer. Me and my two cousins, we enjoy a lot. We run and play while watching the different kind of fish, and also we touch some fish that we can touch. After we play and go around inside the planet, we eat food in the restaurant inside the Blue Planet. After we eat lunch, we play again and then we eat our favorite ice cream. I'm so happy together with my mom, my cousin, my tito, and my tita. It's a best day and a memorable day. Happy birthday, Mama. Thank you for bringing me here. I love you. Nahirapan ako sa kalisod mga Zay. English is just language. Sulat naman talaga ng diary yung anak ko nito mga Zay. Correct grammar pa yun. Kaso lang hindi ko mahanap yung diary niya. Alam nyo na ang susunod niyan. So yan mga Zay, nagpunta kami sa Blue Planet mga Zay. Nag-celebrate ako sa aking birthday that time. Mag 1 year na tong video na to mga Zay. Ngayon ko lang naisipang i-edit. Puno na kasi din yung memory ng cellphone ko. Wala nang mapaglagyan ng video. At malapit na din pala ulit yung birthday ko. Wala pang plans. Skip muna ako this year kasi marami talagang pagsubok na dumaan sa akin year 2024. Kung alam nyo lang yung pinagdaanan ko, sobrang stressful talaga this year. Pero bilog naman yung mundo. Sana next year maganda na ang takbo ng buhay ko. Sana smooth na lang. Darating na birthday ko, isa lang mahiling ko. I wish na sana magiging stress-free ako. Kahit mahirap yung pinagdaanan natin mga Zay, magpakatatag tayo. Problema lang yan. Dadaan lang yan sa ating buhay. Papasok, lalabas. Daanin lang natin ang problema mga Zay. Hanapan natin ng solusyon, paraan, para hindi magstay sa atin. Makakos talaga ng anxiety yung problema. Pero naniniwala ako na ang bawat problema may solusyon. Dahil hindi tayo bigyan ng malaking problema kung hindi natin kaya. Pag malagpasan na natin ang problema, yan ang magpapatatag sa atin. Kung paano malagpasan ang mas malaki at mahirap na problema sa ating buhay.